Hi everyone, look, this is a Rubik's Cube in my hand and I'm gonna solve this cube next to you. So, I don't want to make any delay, so let's get started to solve the Rubik's Cube. First of all, look, this is totally at 6 and 7 it's look like. So, this is gonna be a fascinating video for me because I'm not a pro solver, that's why it will take little bit time. But I enjoy it. Actually, not only to solve a Rubik's Cube, but also if you can solve any kind of puzzles, that will be really fascinating for you. You may learn how to solve this cube, you will get fun at the same time, you may enjoy your time. So, before 1 month ago, I have bought this cube because I want to learn how to solve this cube, and after several days later, I have been able to solve this cube because it wasn't easy for me to learn this cube. I had to spend several times to solve the cube. So look, this is one side has been completed. Now I'm gonna solve second layer. Second layer also gonna be fascinating for me. Then it is really amazing for me. Okay, it is taking time. Well, now I am solving level 2. Well, well, now level first layer and second layer has been completed. Now I'm gonna solve this third layer. So as you can see, this is third layer. So I will have to use. Oh, this is a mistake for me. This is the biggest mistake. Okay, it doesn't matter. Well, okay. Now this is final step. I will have to solve this layer, this and this. After that it will be solved. So let's do it. First of all, I will have to see something, everything is okay or not. Okay, almost I'm there. I need just a moment. Okay, almost I have done. Well, look, I have done. The Rubik's Cube has been solved by me. It is very easy, but when first time I bought this cube and tried to solve this cube, it wasn't easy. A lots of time I was failed. Many times I had to spend to learn how to solve this cube. After that, I have been able to solve this cube very easily. Similar, if you want to learn spoken English, beginning your journey, you must have to face several problems. You may get fall, but you will have to wake up. Again, you will have to try. Again, you will have to attempt to solve this like I have solved this cube. So, now today, see you again another day, another videos. See you soon. Pray for me so that I can achieve my goal. Inshallah, I will pray for you. mercy.